Hi guys, welcome to Asian Delights Kitchen, a food recipe sharing and inspirational channel. After watching my roasted pork belly video, some friends asked me to make a video of how to make roasted duck. I'm going to share with you guys how to easily make a crispy, tender, and juicy roasted duck at home. A detailed recipe will be listed at the end of this video. I hope you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and push the notification bell button. Let's start with the marinating sauce. Some recipes require the use of multiple spices or more. Conveniently, I am going to use all-in-one spice called all-spices powder. In a mixing bowl, add in 3 tablespoons of all-spices powder. 1 tablespoon of chicken flavor powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 3 tablespoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 4 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Mix well and set aside. Traditionally, we would use a 2.5 to 3 kilograms duck. I'm using one that is about 2.5 kilograms. Trim the fat from the bottom to make it leaner. Use a paper towel to dry the skin and the cavity of the duck for a better marinade effect. Try to dry all the spots as much as you can. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of the marinade mixture into the cavity of the duck. Rub 2 tablespoons of the marinade mixture evenly over the entire outside of the duck. Pay attention under the wing areas. They are often harder to absorb. Cut 2 green onions and set half aside. 1 shallot. 1 potato or apple. 8 slices of ginger. Set half aside. Tuck all the ingredients that we just cut inside the cavity for a better shape. This step will dry the duck better later in the 晾皮 progress and make crispier skin after we cook. Use a metal skewer to seal the bottom. Go around the skin just like this. You can also use a wooden or bamboo one that cut to about 6 inches. By sealing the bottom, we will keep the juice inside and the meat will be more tender. There is another reason for this and you'll see later of this video. Now use the remaining some mixture, rub it over the skin and give it a massage. Cover the duck with food wrap and marinate 1 to 2 hours in the fridge. In a pot, add in the rest of green onion and ginger, 8 cups of water, 1 cup of vinegar, and 1 cup of honey or maltose. The ratio of the honey and water is 1 to 8. Turn to boil until honey is melted. Then we are going to implement a process called 烫皮. 烫皮 is to pour boiling honey water on the skin about 3 to 4 times. This progress will change the collagen and tighten the skin. The skin will be tightened. Make sure you are pouring the boiling water on each spot on the skin, including the back and around the wing areas. Holding a 2.5 kilogram stuffed duck with one hand could be tiring. Try to switch hand or family member may help to avoid injury. Look at how it changes from the video. Now let's dry the duck. We call it 晾皮. This can be done on the cooking rack, but you can use duck hook to hang it anywhere in the kitchen. Let it dry for about 24 hours. After liang pi, the skin looks darker and drier. The pore is more obvious to see. I would use a tweezer to clean excessive feathers. Cover wings and legs with foil. Poke a small hole to implement the progress of guan tang. Inject 1/4 cups of chicken broth. This is one of the reasons why we have to seal the bottom earlier. Place duck breast side up in a roasting pan and roast for 20 minutes in a preheated oven at 400 Fahrenheit degrees. Turn over and roast it for another 20 minutes. Turn over duck again, breast side up. Change the temperature to 320 and roast another 20 minutes. When it's done, broil both sides for 5 minutes. A crispy, tender, and juicy roasted duck is done. Unseal the bottom and get the juice for serving. After all the effects, I am feeling such a great sense of satisfaction and success. We fry the stuffing from the cavity will be another dish. If you feel like this is appetizing after watching, give it a try at home. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please leave comments below, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and push the notification bell button. 谢谢. See you next time.